Ndichikutambirai zvekare pano paHadzirare 263 pano pachenge ndichikuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Kana uchiri munyowani pathis YouTube channel, kusubscribe mahara wotena on the notification bell. Vadikani kusubscribe mahara ende uyezve hazvirambidzwi kuti utaure zvaunenge uchifunga mucomment section. Vadikani audio yandinayo audio iyo ine voice raProfeti Walter Magaya. Audio iyi rakambotenderera kudhara ratenderera kutaura kwatiri kuita kuno kuProfeti Walter Magaya vari mumaoko eusungu vari kupomerwa mhosva dzerape case. Saka paaudio apa panga pachitaurika zvichinzi ava ndiProfeti Walter Magaya, mani ava hamusi kunzwa voice rekuti ndiProfeti Walter Magaya apo pavaitaura neSmall House negirlfriend ravo vachitaura kuti usafone nguva dzemanheru ndinenge ndine mukadzi mani uri sei hako iwewe. Soda kusiya muchinzwa audio, wapedza kunzwa audio tauzvauri off comment section Hadzirare ndafunga kusiyai tosangana zvekare manje munguva inotevera. Much love.
Yes, Dad.
How are you?
Ndiri bhoshori sei?
Wakazopusa rini wewe?
Kupusa kwakuita sei?
Aiva, ndakakuti usafone, unofanira ndichida kuti usataura newe kana ndichikuprotector zvangu.
Ndiri kunyanya avoid saka ndikazive kuti zvikureve.
No. You have to listen to my words and you have to listen to my advice. This phone yandikushandisa is an official line. Domain line rangu zvaswana mama neni. Saka ndichita kuti some of these messages must not see them. Okay. There's no reason why I should not phone you kana ndiri free.
Saka iko munhu ngachingototsvaga hake line raanokwanisa kutaura naye.
Yes, I will do that. But wakataura ngekutaura naJohn ka chakureva mbama izvozvo.
Torovana chidzorerana.
Usatorana nere? Unopenge, unoita here. Watenga laptop?
Andinotenga, ndikanonofa mari.
Ndokupa mari chikupika usina kuya kuzotara mari kuProspect?
Ndakafunda wari kuti kana wadzoka here mukasataura tindadzoka.
Ndizvo ndambodzoka iko, kandi unongoenda kuProspect wopiwa mari laptop here.
Aiwa zvekuramba ndishandisa vasikana zvinonzi mari iri kubuda iri kungobuda pamusaka pechichi zvinondinetsa ndozonzi uya what ndoda kupiwa mari nemunhu wacho direct tichipanana mumaoko.
Apa ndadzoka kuProspect ma4-5 ndokuda pedza chikoro ngwai?
Ndopedza na5.
Panabva kuchikoro webva kuProspect.
Okay. Nyaya ndakataurirana yekunzi munhu uri kuda mota kudarika munhu zvikureve.
Ndakafila ndozvakati ndifile.
Kwenene ndiri kuidhinowa ndofila sei?
Kuidhinowa kupi?
Kusangotaurwa because ma5 days munhu ndiaiinitiata kuti taura tese nyaya. Izvezvi ndikasafona munhu afoni ndonzi ndiri busy. Ipapo munhu angasiri busy sei?
Why should we talk this over again and again?
Alright, ndakusuwa.
No, ndakusuwai. Ndakakuudza kuti wakazota respect, it pushes me away.
Okay, ndakusuwai date.
Good. Usatanga kuteera neadvice yako.
Ndakusuwai date.
Ndazvinzwa uri kupi?
Ndokuchikoro.
Uri sei?
Kuchikoro kuripo. Handisi kuconcentrate because ndikufunga.
Udashaku mbaleyo. Sure, ukashaburuka zvakadiki so.
Ndichirowa sei? I don't mind kurowa wangu andabasa nasho.
Unoda munhu wacho. No, I felt, yes, I didn't have to message when you wakandida last year. I said I felt it. I did not dispute it. I felt it. Only problem that is, like whether you change today, you respect me tomorrow. You change today, you respect me tomorrow. I want you to work on that. We were talking nice yesterday. We were discussing nice yesterday. Now, so we need to iron out through this. What is that type of a message?
Problem kana shida munhu akakumbinowa unotidzai.
No, you need to control your temper. That's your biggest problem. I want to tell you, I was getting nasty message last week. And you used me because I'm underprivileged. What was that?
Saka munhu akasaka alright munhu akakuronza ndiri kutengera mota akakutengera mota zvarevo.
You know what I'm going to tell you.
I
can afford to buy. The reason why I'm not buying that car is your character.
My character? Yekuita sei?
Yekuita kutaura iyoyo.
Aiwa, mota iyoyo yakutozotenga weekly. Pamupesa papa ndiri kutombotaura zvakanaka, but motikari yakutotenga weekly.
Tera mashoko akutaura wati?
Ndati.
Tera zvakutaura. How to tell zvaungotaura?
Okay. ndati mudiwa wangu achanditengera motikari we3 because ndapinda mahustles ende mukatipiwa mari yetransport kubasa vanongodipa $50 off $50 haindikwanire because mazuva ano tiri kuita madiscussions kubrodo $15 kudzoka saka roughly ndiri kushandisa more than $300 pane ndichienda kuchikoro.
Okay, what you do is today when I come we discuss over the issue of the car, then you finalize and you conclude over it, and then you create a very solid answer over it. Then I'll tell you what to say, Kubasa. Listen, I'll tell you what to say, Kubasa, and I'll tell you what's the best to solve this issue. Because I think we let the car be the last segment that we discuss, and this is solve the all challenges that you're facing. But then it's not my wish for you to be troubled with life, and you're not just here. But in any man, if I feel pushed, if I feel someone threatening me, if I feel like you're pushing me, I tell you I get affected. It's really serious. Because someone who pushes me.
Oh,
do you know one thing? The moment you become sweet, the moment you become nice, even the love inside me, I feel because I love you. But the moment you push me, the moment you try to, more like you're pestering me.
If I love you, you know the way I love you, Mona. When he hardly calls her phone, Mona text, even for WhatsApp, because there she does, I don't know change a line or change a personal line, I don't know running.
But even when they want my phone, and you know those phones are switched off, for the reason you tell is that in my life, I think areas niche. So I find areas with family and offices. I'm always with Mama. She cannot see me holding another phone. Like I talk phone and the boss, I want you to talk to you, Mom, free.
Okay. But alright, at least and the school cancer.
You understand my life? You understand my life?
You know, I don't know.
I've been on 5 a.m. I've been on 5 a.m. I've been on when I'm working the next 15 minutes when I'm about a phone.
Okay.
So imagine what the time I tricks I going to the phone, could you send the message which Mama do on the phone? That would don't blame me. So when I message you, don't blame me. Let us talk this through. Why are you teaching? But the book with wisdom, why have I been blocked? Why have I someone sent me a message on Monday?
Ask on the one I can't understand. But that ask about you put him on in this act. Because what it can ask the concept of any Gandhi provision in the look at the system. Because little crisis is a married. Because
the way you talk, the way you talk, you talk as if it's your man number one. You talk as if it's your right number two. You talk as if I mean what around it so it's around me. Around it so we don't attract a person back to you, which pushes them away. Okay, listen to you. Let me teach you as a father. If you want to have a good relationships in the life, don't talk as if you are pushing someone. You push them away. Okay, so how come I was wrong? What is that? If I tell you, if you bring a laptop, you are not going to give a laptop. What's one? You spoke nice, then I realized the need. Simple. And I'm going to come and take my laptop. I want to the laptop.
Okay, noted.
You have to use wisdom on talking to attract the favor from someone that loves you.
Daddy.
Yeah.
That's so why.
Yeah, no shand. There's no shand. There's no good.
That's so why.
Okay, I miss you too.
That's so good. Going to code.
Yes?
That's so good. Going to code.
I love you.
I love you, Anne.
I love you.
I love you. Yeah? I love you. Don't know so. I love you, Anne.
No, you don't know this. It's not a man.
I want to know your thoughts of time. I love you. Don't know.
What is going to do?
Kambodzi. Kambodzi Mbodzi. I'm not going to get out of
But I want to bindura ndine team yakawanda let me go in the car nditanga kuenda kubindura I'll see my profile chaka bindura mukarwe ndingadile yakudzoka ndinakuona mushemandi but what you say I have a problem I'll solve it.
Okay, but nasi most probably munogona kunonoka kuyandi ndizongoya
ndikuenda ndini kuenda kubindura zvekufambira mai manyika vaya vatino vachida kuponesa matsvaku haya for ladies ngini then from there down on a combination, and I was tower and I say she's not even moving. Karoi. So from Karoi, then I come back to office. According to my movement, maybe you can take me to be by 5-4. From a 4-5, no, send a message with Damara. Message. And the avoid delete and my because my phone is this one is the most private line now.
Okay. Yeah, mna agenda ngihambe ndichagira time ndakusuwayo.
Nazinzo. Nazo siwachikise chi.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Eh? Eh?
Yes.
Si.
Yes.
Sawa.
Yes.
Sawa.
What is nasokorana nemunhu?
Kurane munhu. Kurane munhu nemunhu ndakutsvagira munhu.
Aiwa, munhu andina basa naye.
Kutsvagira munhu ndakatoka.
Aiwa, kurara nemi.
Oh. Okay, that's it. Waziribo, let me call you.
Usazaregere kutexa message kana kutaura.
Okay, but you enter with the program which you title. Maybe now and then I cannot hold the phone.
Okay, it's fine. For it,
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for understanding. If you are continue to be like that, I tell you there won't be any challenge. But if you continue to be something funny, it doesn't work like that. If you have got such a car, it will raise eyebrows unnecessarily. You have to have a simple car which you can move. You must have a simple car which must move you from point A to point B. You put on the bus, I don't believe my mother was no assignate, and you want something else on this one.
Okay, but you know the ship can be fired because simple car is not going to
that must have wisdom. That doesn't what my one is looking at. A simple car. Simple car.
Say it.
My really discuss to be good. My feet, my Honda, my is the first thing.
Okay.
Relax. We don't talk about it. Say, get a motor one day. Just relax. What I said, don't go to Moon. Sometimes I talk what has happened. You know what makes things happen? To be sober and to be lovely. Simple as that.
Okay, I'm going to change.
Ndikukuudza ndinayo mari wangoramba chete change ndikukuti aiwa simple. So you just change and anticipate that. I'm hammering the point in you so that you do what I tell you every day and you go back to the same old you.
Okay, same old me. Arkuda mono, arkuswa mono, saka arkuramba chita.
Don't be aggressive for nothing. Relax.
Okay.
Good girl. All right, now.
Okay, bye-bye.